now that your sugar pack been sent for 3+ hours, now it's for the experiment time. So look, it appears hard, right? Y'all hear that? It appears hard, but all you have to do is this, right? That part down there still hard. What you do, you beat it repeatedly till you get all the clumps out, right? Then you give it a massage, rub it out, then the finishing touch. And voila. And it's back to sand. And with the other clumps in there. So from here, when it's like this, if you have a clump, just simply smush it down. And everything is back to sand. Ta-da! Boom.